Guys, I'm going to be answering your questions as to why Dogecoin and other cryptos have been going down recently. I'm also going to be doing a technical analysis, so you're going to want to stick around until the end. What's up guys, I'm Joel and I'm an expert at technical analysis. With 13 years experience, I call out huge plays before they even happen, and I'm very accurate as you've seen in my previous videos. If you haven't joined my Patreon already, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in my top pinned comment. That's where I give my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip and very short period of time to make the trade. That's when I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. And then when we reach 20 to 30% profits at the peak, I let you guys know that I'm ready to sell so that you guys can sell as well or hold with diamond hands. So congratulations to all my patrons who've been taking my buy and sell trade alerts, because we've made a lot of money. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you're going to want to do that by subscribing, smash that like button, ring the bell, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top pinned comment, where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers, which is just right around the corner. And guys, if you believe that Dogecoin is headed to the moon, smash that like button. It really does help out the channel. Also, ring that bell so you don't miss my time-sensitive daily Dogecoin uploads. So guys, in my previous video, I called it a head and shoulders pattern, and it played out perfectly accurate, just as I called out. The reason that cryptos and the stock market are down in general is because they've announced that they're going to charge interest on crypto trade. Also, inflation is increasing a lot faster than anybody could have expected. Guys, do you expect us to have a green day tomorrow? Let me know in the comments down below. I offer coaching, portfolio building, and a lot of other awesome benefits on my Patreon. Bitcoin was down 4% today and Ethereum down 5%. That's why I put out a trade alert today, right when that dip happened, so you guys could get in at the right time for Ethereum and then make huge profits when I put out my sell alert. Trading volume has actually gone up on Dogecoin by 44%. Now, why is it up if the price is going down? Now, the reason is because a lot more people are selling these days. With all the FUD and fake news that are being put out there by the whales, it is causing the smaller retailer to get scared and sell because they believe it would go to zero. But guys, that's simply just not going to happen, and the whales know that. That's why the whales are trying to trick the smaller investor, the ones without the proper experience, so that they get scared and sell, allowing for the whales to get in at the right time at that dip. And that's what I look out for during the day, and I let you guys know the perfect time to buy in and to sell out. Also, when people are shorting and also buying the dips, it also causes the trading volume to go up as well. With $520 million worth of Bitcoin expiring, it is bound to make a massive bounce for the crypto market. On this final day of the expiration of the options, the whales want to scare people. They want to get the prices low as possible so they can profit as much as possible. So expect a massive bounce just within the next 48 hours when all the fake news is finished and over with. I conjecture within the next 2 days to have a massive dip, which I'm going to alert you guys on, and then an even bigger bounce. And that's when you guys will know to sell. In a very short period of time, we can make a lot of money, just as we have time and time again on my Patreon. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. It's simply my opinion based on my software and experience. We're seeing a lot more shorts even over longs, where people are betting that the price will go down versus going up. That makes them have to put out fake news to scare the smaller retailer investor to sell so that they can get what they want, so they can get what they bargained for, and so that the whales can make a lot more money than they already have. Once you see that bottom, you'll see a lot more people buying in so they can get in at the dip and then have that bounce and break in the profits at the proper time. Now guys, this is called longing. They go in for the long run oftentimes so that they can make a lot of money. Stock market is not looking so good these days with all of the inflation. Inflation is even expected to go up even higher, causing more people to jump into cryptocurrencies, more mass adoption, and you're going to want to get in before all of this while we're still in our infancy stages of cryptocurrency. Inflation simply will not occur with cryptocurrencies, at least nothing like the US dollar, nothing like the regular stock market. It's a much better investment in my opinion, and that's what all these countries that are taking it on as legal tender are seeing as well. With all the news of even more inflation, it's causing the stock market to come down, and sometimes the cryptocurrency market works alongside the stock market, going down with it as well. And that's also an answer to the concerns you guys have been having recently about the crypto crash. However, you will see in the very near future, as the stock market crashes, cryptocurrencies will go up because people will have far less confidence in the US dollar in the stock market, and they will start having a lot more confidence in the cryptocurrency market, just like a lot of countries have already recognized that are taking it on as their legal tender. Guys, some proof of fake news. Goldman Sachs literally opened their portfolio to allow the customers start buying and trading Ethereum and other cryptocurrencies. Right when they allowed this, they put news out saying that they're all an unworthy investment. They did this in order to cause the price to go down so they could buy up a lot of it and have it in their portfolio to sell to their customers. Goldman Sachs expanding their options trading desk to allow Ethereum to be traded, Bitcoin, and other cryptocurrencies, but at the same time being hypocritical with the fake news that they put out. Guys, this is literally the epitome of market manipulation. Guys, on the Fear and Greed Index, we're moving currently from fear on up to greed. This is totally normal, and it's simply because of the inflation news that we're going to have more inflation for the US dollar. Think about the huge gains we're going to be having towards the end of the year. Don't worry about this trading sideways, this small volatility. It's not what matters, guys. In the long run, holding with diamond hands will pay off and has always paid off. And guys, if you don't yet have a platform to trade on, I highly recommend using my Webull link in the description below. If you use that link and deposit $100 or more, you get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 each. You can liquidate that, send that straight to your bank account, or buy cryptos with it. Guys, as we see on the charts, Dogecoin was all the way up at 44 cents, and then we had a downtrend. As you can see, we keep bouncing off this level of support right here. Keep bouncing off. This is a clear sign of stability. With our inverse head and shoulders and where we keep bouncing off of that level of resistance, that is a clear sign that we are about to be on another bull run. Our current level of resistance is 28 cents. That's the lowest we hit today, but guys, I believe that will be the lowest that we'll ever see it hit again. Since there's so much trading volume up from people buying that dip, get ready to see a huge bounce. So if you're one of the ones who took my buy and sell trade alert when I told you guys to buy in at 28 cents, and I let you guys know to sell Doge at 43 cents just before the Coinbase listing, you know how accurate I was and how we made a lot of money. I often get thank you letters in my Patreon because we often make a lot of money. Guys, expect within 60 to 90 days that we hit some all-time highs with Dogecoin. Guys, with the fundamental catalyst in the works, it would not be a surprise. Expected to hit $2 to $3 minimum just by the end of this year. And if you guys haven't joined my Patreon yet, it's incredibly cheap and invaluable. It's in the top pinned comment, and that's where you get my buy and sell trade alerts. As I watch the charts throughout the day, I wait for that steep dip, that rare time to get in. I let you guys know that I'm buying so that you guys can buy as well. And then when I wait for a 20 to 30% profit, when we hit that peak, I let you guys know that I'm selling as well so that you guys can sell or hold with diamond hands. Also, if you haven't joined my 100 Doge giveaway yet, you can do that by subscribing, ring the bell, smash that like button, comment anything down below, and follow my socials in the top hit comment where I'm going to be announcing one lucky winner when we hit 2,000 subscribers. Guys, thank you so much for watching my daily Dogecoin uploads, and I'll see you tomorrow.